Got up this morning and I'm feeling nothing. Received from yesterday, pop out of my jeans. Oh, the date was 24th of July. You hold my hand for the first time. That was a time. Oh, and my necklace that you bought me is gone, and my heart hurts, but I should play along like there's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I can't move on. Need to get away from you to make myself good. I'm about to lose control. So tell me how it can be that you're still in my head after all of these years. All of these years. I remember driving to my house. You drove so fast, I said, please stop. How many times have I told you I needed a little bit slower? We picked up strawberry pumpkin pie. We ate until our stomach hurt. Oh, and my necklace that you bought me is gone, and my heart hurts, but I should play along like there's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I can't move on. Need to get away from you to make myself good. I'm about to lose control. So tell me how it can be that you're still in my head after all of these years. All of these years. Heart pieces are made of glass, falling down, crushing in through the ground, but I stay still. I am falling back again now. Heart pieces are made of glass, falling down, crashing in through the ground, but I stay still. I am falling back again now. So tell me how it can be that you're still in my head after all of these years. All of these years.
Looking to the music, dangling to the beat, smiling distant strangers, winking on my feet. Then I see the moonlight sparkling in your eyes. Oh, my body's frozen and my soul's on fire. Just follow me, baby, pulling at me with a foxy move. Gently come over. My body's a boat sailing through the wind. We keep moving, can hear the way our hearts are singing through music. We get closer as the bass keep pushing. Our lips are nearing and our pulse is cruising. You feel them too, the inner vibes. Our keys are locked and our hearts go wild. Down the dark, just feel my eyes. I lost the trace of my moonchild. Of my moonchild. Of my moonchild. Of my moonchild. please don't work out on me again. You feel them too, the inner vibes. Our kids are loved and our hearts go wide. Down the dark, just feel my eyes.